Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Abbassa Hz Uk, lecturer at Physics Department from University of Mustaqana. First of all, I want to thank the organization team for the acceptance to my participation in the first conference on materials and energies by presenting a poster entitled Slater Powering Rule and Half Metallic Behavior in Hexagonal Semi-Isolar under Initial and Hydrostatic Stress. Semi-Isolar compound with the chemical formula X, Y, Z are derived from the cubic prototype space group 216 when the site 4B is empty. Recently, some Isolar reported to exhibit a magnetic transition from nearly half metal to half metal under initial stress in cubic compound. Motivating by that result, we have investigated an hexagonal semi-Isolar compound iron cobalt tin. Electronic structure calculation were performed using the self-consistent full potential linear augmented plane wave method implemented in VN2K code with the density functional theory DFT. For the exchange correlation correction, it was used the GGA approximation. For the structural properties, the variation of the ground state energy versus volume for our compound show that the ferromagnetic hexagonal structure corresponds to the most stable structure. The obtained results for ground state of the studied compound are listed in the table 1. The electronic band structure calculation of our compound show a metallic character in both spin up and spin down state. In table 2, we give the calculated total and partial magnetic moment for our compound in Bohr magneton. We find as total magnetic moment the value of 3.33. Of course, it's not an integer value. To investigate the effect of pressure to the magnetic behavior, we have considered both initial and hydrostatic stress. We get an integer value 3.0 at 13.14 gigapascal initial stress and 17 gigapascal at hydrostatic stress. We can see that our compound always keeps the metallic behavior in both spin up and spin down panel under the hydrostatic stress. Under the initial stress, we can see also that our compound keeps again the metallic behavior in both spin up and spin down panel. Conclusion. Using first principle full potential linear augmented plane wave method, electronic structure and magnetic properties have been calculated for iron cobalt tin compound. Our results prove that an integer value in total magnetic moment does not mean a half metallic behavior in hexagonal semi-Isolar, unlike the cubic one. Thus, the result indicates that the Slater powering rule is not compatible for the hexagonal structure. Thank you for attention.